Evidence from the M&I Chicago report shows activity bounced back in June, a welcome result following the weakness seen in recent months. The M&I Chicago Business Barometer rose 7.5 points to 56.8 in June, the highest level since January 2015. June's rebound, though, was not enough to offset previous 2 months of weakness, leaving the barometer broadly unchanged in the second quarter at an average of 52.2 compared to 52.3 in the first quarter. The barometer's rise was led by strong gains in new orders and production. New orders increased sharply on the month to the highest since October 2014, while production rose to the highest since January 2016. Order backlogs also contributed positively, rising to the highest since March 2011 and breaking a 16-month run in contraction. Companies, though, were not as confident as last year about the future level of orders. In response to a special question, 46% of respondents anticipated higher orders in the third quarter. This was little change from the March result, which showed 44% expected higher orders in the second quarter, but was significantly down from 57% in June of 2015. Despite higher orders and output, demand for labor fell. Employment contracted at the fastest pace since November 2009 and was the only component of the barometer below the neutral 50 level in June. Following a significant lengthening in supplier delivery times in April and May, data for June showed a shortening back to 50, suggesting bottlenecks in the supply chain have loosened. This was in line with all three buying policies shortening in June. From May 2015 through May 2016, firms ran down inventory levels. June, however, saw a double-digit increase from May's 6.5-year low. June also ended a 7-month run of inventories being in contraction. There also was an equal number of firms reporting increasing or decreasing stocks of finished goods. Inflationary pressures were little changed on the month, with prices hovering just a shade below April's 17-month high. This following the recovery in oil prices and increases in other raw materials.